Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken pilau. So these are the ingredients that we have to make the pilau. I have one whole chicken cut up into pieces, rice, brown rice, Christophine, carrots, pumpkin, the pigeon peas, green seasoning, onions, tomatoes. Then I have a little piece of hot pepper, black pepper, salt, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, brown sugar, golden ray butter, and then we have the coconut milk. So now I'm going to season the chicken with the green seasoning, the ketchup, soy sauce. So I'm adding the salt in as well. I'm going to put in the pepper, black pepper, the tomatoes, and the onions. And now I'm going to give it a stir. Okay, so I'm now going to just put in a drop of oil. I don't cook with a lot of oil. And then I'm going to toss the sugar in. So once the sugar starts getting caramelized, we're going to wait until it gets to a nice color, and then we'll toss the chicken in. So once it starts getting caramelized, you're going to just turn it until it gets a nice brown or dark brown color. So I think this sugar is just perfect as it is, and now I'm going to just toss the chicken in. Just give it a stir. I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to add the peas, and then we'll leave it for another 10 minutes because the chicken has to cook a little bit before we toss everything else in. So we'll just leave it there for now, and we'll come back and check it. Okay, so now it's time for me to add the peas in. There's one reason behind the grated vegetables. Back in the day when my children were kids, and if they see vegetables cut up in pieces, they wouldn't eat the food. So I decided to grate it and let it melt into the meal so they wouldn't see it, and so that they will get all the nutrition from this. So anybody out there who has little kids, you can do this. So I'm going to add that's the carrots. This is the pumpkin. Christophine. So I'm gonna just let this cook in here for another 10 minutes, and then I will add the rice. we're gonna leave this in here for another 10 minutes. And we'll come back and put the rice in. Okay, so I'm gonna check the chicken, the vegetables in here, and you can see a really nice color. And so now I'm gonna toss the rice in. I just wash it, and I'm gonna just stir. And then you can always taste it for salt, and pepper is optional. Not gonna throw any water in just yet. I'm just gonna let this cook up for a little bit, for another 10 minutes, and we'll come back and I'll throw the milk and the butter. So now we're gonna just check and see it let out its own juices. So I didn't put any water yet, and now I'm gonna toss the milk in and also the butter. Give it a stir. Then I'm going to leave this for another 10 minutes, and then I'm going to throw water, just enough to cover the rice and the chicken, and then we'll check it again. Okay, so now I'm going to check this again, and now I'm going to throw some water in because now the rice is it's beginning to stick to the bottom. So I'm going to throw the water. This is the same water that we seasoned the chicken in, so I don't want to throw it out, so I'm just gonna add the water. And also, if you think that the pilau doesn't have enough color, you can use a little bit of browning, and then that would give it color. So I'm gonna just leave it to boil, and then we'll come back and check. So now I'm gonna take a stir, see what's going on in the pot, and as you can see, the color is nice. We will leave it here until the rice cooks, and then we'll see. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little peek and see what's going on. Looks good, looks yummy. And all we have to do now is wait until the rice is cooked. Everyone here likes a sappy pilau, so I'm gonna leave like extra water in it, but then it gets absorbed. But everyone likes it sappy, so this rice can take another 10 minutes, and then the pilau should be good to eat. So now we're going to check the pilau to see if it's good enough to take down. And at this point, I'm going to take it down. I'm going to check the rice and see. So the rice is cooked. I'm going to take it down. But eventually the water is going to get absorbed. Good enough. Yes. So now I've just plated the pilau. And this is kuchila on the side, so we can have this together with the pilau. I'm just gonna have a taste. So good. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.